you snoring like his daddy. Look at those cheeks. Eyelashes like his daddy. Eyes like his mommy.